बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम या अय्युहल मुज़म्मिल क़ुमिल लैला इल्ला क़लीलन निस्फ़हु व मिनकुस मिन्हु क़लीला व ज़िद अलैहि वरत्तिलिल क़ुरआन तरतीला इन्ना सनुल्क़ी अलैका क़ौलन सक़ीला इन्ना नाशिअतल लैलि हिय अशद्दु वतअन व अक़वमु क़ीला सदक़ल्लाहुल अलियुल अज़ीम. The presence of biconvex lens, especially the shape of biconvex lens, helps in keeping that object to rod shaped cell, cone shaped cells. We are studying structure of eye. We discussed a lot of things. We discussed about the opening of the pupil. I was discussing about the two muscles which are present in the iris. The IRIS is the spelling of the iris. I discussed that when circular muscles will contract, the opening will be small and opening of the pupil will be small when you are watching in intense light. I was discussing when the radial muscles will relax and circular muscles will contract, the opening of the pupil will be small, and this happening will occur in intense light, in extreme sunlight, almost at the noon when sunlight is at top. And when the sunlight is little less, mean not much intense, what will happen? The radial muscles will contract and circular muscles will relax and opening will be large, mean pupil opening will be large, and you are able to see in less intense light. This is the modification of the pupil. These both structures, one is pupil, one is the biconvex lens. These are the structures which are present in the eye, and they are the structures. Why we are discussing these structures? Because they are being modified according to situation. As I told you, when you are watching in extensive sunlight, the pupil size will small, in the size will less decrease in the size, and when you are watching at the distant, or when you are watching in less intense light, the size will increase. Similarly, the biconvex lens, that is the clearly point. When the ciliary muscles will relax, means ciliary muscles will relax, the ciliary muscles will relax. When the ciliary muscles will relax, the biconvex lens will become the less convex. Less convex mean less round. So shape will be like this one. So this is very important information. When the ciliary muscles will relax, I will draw this figure and I should show the ciliary muscles and the suspensory ligaments separately. I will show this figure by the different colors. If you will see this one, you will be able to see this is the shape of the round shape biconvex lens. Okay, round shape biconvex lens means more biconvex, so it is attached with the ciliary muscle. Suspensory ligaments are not involved in changing the shape. They are just basically making the strengthening the position of the biconvex lens in the middle layer at the back side of the pupil. And the most important are these muscles. I should change the color because these muscles, ciliary muscles, these muscles are the ciliary muscles, these muscles are the ciliary muscles, and this biconvex lens become round when these ciliary muscles will contract or relax. This is the point. When they will contract, it will become more round. When they will contract, it will become more round. When they will become, when you are watching the closer objects, the objects which are very closer to you, what will happen? These closer objects you are watching, and these light rays which are coming, which are very closer, mean that the light rays are not far away from each other. There is no need of elongation of the biconvex lens. So biconvex lens will become elongated. Biconvex lens become elongated when you are watching distant object, mean light rays are far away from each other. Who will facilitate this? The ciliary muscles will facilitate it. Ciliary muscles will relax. So ciliary muscles will relax. Now I go to shape and I will tell you what is happening here. These are the ciliary muscles, and this is the biconvex lens, and these are the connective tissue. These are the connective tissue. And also this is a pupil, and this is the iris, and this is the cornea, white color cornea. This is a cornea. So these all colors are visible to you. I will tell you blue color, don't worry about this blue color, because I just wanted to mention these cavities. These are very easy, because the main focusing objective, you knew that the light image will fall on the rod shaped cell, cone shaped cells, and you know that that is the main object. Main objection is that this rod shaped cell, cone shaped cells, these rod shaped cell, cone shaped cells, which we are carrying from they are carrying the object which is coming from the outside, the light ray. The point I was discussing, the ciliary muscles will contract. The biconvex lens become more round shape. Once again I will tell you, students, the ciliary muscles, you know that muscles can contract and relax. So they will contract and relax on different conditions. Two type of the muscle we studied in the pupil. One was the circular muscles, one are the smooth muscles. Circular muscles are contracting, the pupil size was decreased. Circular muscles were relaxing, the pupil size was increased. And radial muscles were contracting, both muscles were antagonistic. When one muscle contract, other muscle relax, the position is called antagonistic. So these are the ciliary muscles. They contract and relax. When they contract, the size of the pupil, size of the biconvex lens become more round. More round mean you are watching the closer object. And when they are elongating, mean that they are elongated mean that the size of the biconvex lens elongated. It means that these ciliary muscles are relaxed. And when they are relaxed, when you are watching the distant object, light image is far away from each other. That are the two major mechanisms, opening of the pupil and the adjustment of the size of the biconvex lens. Like the light is intense, the pupil size will decrease and the light will become a little less. The size of the pupil will decrease due to circular muscles and the radial muscle, which are contracting and relaxing according to antagonistic nature. Similarly, once again I will tell you, and also I will verify you, because you know that you are watching from air. Therefore I will tell you, my sons, ciliary muscles of the eye, which are supported by the suspensory ligament, because they are keeping the biconvex lens at specific place. Ciliary muscles are relaxed, the lens become less convex mean it become elongated, because you are watching from distant object. Light rays are far away from each other, so you need to elongate the size of these. You need to elongate the size of the biconvex lens so that light rays can pass through the biconvex lens, because light ray will not pass the biconvex lens. It will not reach to the iodopsin and rhodopsin, which are the pigments in the rod shaped cell, cone shaped cell, situated at the sensitive part of the retina, fovea centralis, because image will not be created, nerve impulse will not be generated, nerve impulse will not able to go to from optic nerve, and image will not be created in the brain. Thank you very much, students of 10th class, because these two pigments, these two mechanisms, I hope you will remember clearly. Thank you.